5 tips for buying a new furnace. With winter right around the corner, now is an excellent time to replace or upgrade your furnace. Here are a few of our top tips to help you get the perfect furnace for your home. Know your budget before you shop. Work with a professional to find a new furnace with all the features you need that won't break the bank. Find the most energy-efficient option within your price range. Choosing multiple different burner types boosts efficiency. Choose the correct size for your new furnace. Your HVAC equipment should fit comfortably in the home. Understand how much heat is needed for your home. Your new furnace should have enough power to warm your home easily. P&M Air Conditioning and Heating in Houston, Texas offers reliable furnace installation services. Contact us today at 713-588-6249 or visit phmvac.com for more information.